Want leak-free hose connections fast? Let's break down Camlock Fittings, your ultimate solution for a quick connects, secure, and leak-free joint you meet every day on the rig. Welcome to Oilfield Material Insight. I'm Theophilus, a material man in the oil and gas sector. Here we explore how every material on the rig plays a crucial role in keeping operations safe and efficient. These cam and groove fittings are engineered for perfection, locking tightly to form a completely sealed connection. When the coupler and adapter are joined and pulled in opposite directions, the seal holds firm. No leaks, no pressure loss, no tools needed. From oil and gas, agriculture and transport, to construction and pharmaceuticals, Camlock fittings are everywhere. They're available in multiple sizes and materials, but choosing the right one is the key to performance, safety, and durability. So how do you pick the perfect Camlock fitting for your setup? Let's break it down. Understanding Camlock fitting sizing. Before you buy, it's important to understand how the system works. A Camlock connection joins two components. 1. The male adapter, which fits into 2. The female coupler, whose arms lock down securely over the adapter to create the seal. To connect, 1. Insert the male adapter into the female coupler. 2. Raise the arms. 3. Push the arms down until fully closed. This ensures a tight, leak-free joint. 4. Lock the arms with R-clips or pins for extra security. Golden rule: the coupling size must always match the adapter size. Your thread ends and hose tails will follow the same sizing standard. Below is a simplified sizing reference, imperial and metric. You can pause to view so that you can have a better understanding. How to choose the right Camlock fitting. Selecting the correct Camlock isn't guesswork, it's a process. Here's what to consider before buying. 1. Determine the size. Match the fitting size to your hose or pipe end. Always confirm using a sizing chart to ensure perfect alignment. 2. Choose the type. Camlocks come in different types, A to F, DC, DP, depending on the thread or hose connection you need. Coupler or adapter, male or female threads, hose barb or dust cap. Selecting the right combination ensures a perfect fit every time. 3. Consider the application. Different industries, fluids, and pressures demand different materials. For example, stainless steel handles corrosive media, aluminium is lightweight for transport, and polypropylene works well with chemicals or water. Check media compatibility. Use corrosion charts to verify both the fitting and gasket materials are suitable. 4. Pick the right material. Each Camlock material has its strength. A. Stainless steel, corrosion resistant and durable. B. Brass, great for water and oil. C. Aluminum, lightweight and versatile. D. Polypropylene, chemical and cost-effective option. 5. Verify the working pressure. Camlocks are medium pressure couplings. Depending on the material and size, they range between 50 and 300 psi, with polypropylene types maxing at around 125 psi. 6. Check the temperature range. Temperature limits are often defined by the gasket material. Make sure the gasket can handle the operating temperature of your process. Why getting the right Camlock fittings matters? The right Camlock fitting isn't just about convenience. It's about safety, efficiency, and reliability. 1. Convenience. No tools, no struggle, no leaks. Camlocks connect in seconds, saving valuable time and effort. 2. Compatibility. Interchangeability across industries is guaranteed when fittings comply with AAA 59326D standards, or formerly MIL C27487. Always buy from certified suppliers. 3. Efficiency. Proper fittings reduce downtime and make assembly and disassembly fast, clean, and easy, boosting productivity on site. 4. Safety. Poor quality or non-spec fittings can lead to leaks, spills, or even accidents. Using the right certified cam locks ensures safety for workers and the environment. Final thoughts. Taking time to choose the correct size, type, and material of Camlock fittings can make all the difference between a smooth operation and an unexpected shutdown. Always work with trusted suppliers who understand the specifications and can guarantee quality, compliance, and performance. When sourcing the right Camlock fittings feels challenging, don't worry, that's where we come in. At Oilfield Material Man, we specialize in giving you tip for premium quality couplings that combine performance, safety, and all backed by expert support. Because when it comes to leak-free, efficient connections, Camlock fittings are your ultimate solution. If this video helped you understand Camlock fittings better, hit the like button and subscribe for more Oilfield Material Insights. Comment below which fitting or compound you'd like me to feature next.